chicken. How that look? Okay.
Give it some more time.
Some more time. All right. The beef. Smelling good. And the cover. I'll leave it open.
I think I like how I
Onion.
This one is nice. It's not like the other one.
What's this? Yeah.
No, I didn't gonna burn that finger.
Thank you, baby. She's making fun of me because I burnt my finger last time. BB. This is beef and chicken pilau, Grandma. The beef. Well, there's. What's this, babe, again? Coconut something?
It's like a taste, not really fried.
It's what?
What is the place called? Shit. And I forgot.
No, it's okay. Here, you do me. Got me in the kitchen, Grandma. I've been learning a thing or two, okay?
Yeah, it's really getting good.
We got beef in here. We got the rice. Nice beef. Got peas. And I guess tomato. She put tomato based something in there. There's more beef in there. No rice. Peas.
So this is the sauce, the beef sauce. I usually love Mexican because the dish itself is pilau.
Dish itself is pilau.
It's pilau. It's supposed like all the beef it was supposed to be in there. But usually some people it's a bit of a dry dish.
Yeah.
So most people don't feel like eating a dry dish as it is.
Yeah.
So that's why I like get some of the beef and make sauce with it. So you still have sauce in the pilau. And you still have like another sauce to make it like not to make it too dry.
No, no dry food. No dry beef. No dry chicken. No dry chicken.
Yeah.
We'll show you the finished product in a little bit, Grandma.
Yeah, so now I'm gonna make the pili.
The pili. Oh! I'll show you that, Grandma. Alright, Mom. Gonna try pilau rice and beef.
Let's try and get a little bit of meat. Try to get a little bit of everything, a little bit of peas.
Yeah, it's hot, Mom.
Yeah, it's hot. Was it just
Happy dance.
tender? Oh yeah, that's what I was like. Make sure you get everything.
Yeah,
A little bit of pea.
Meat
If I
tender.
get some meat, you might have to kind of chuck it off a part of it. Part of something.
Now, don't eat all the beef. There'll be nothing for dinner.
Flavors are good.
That's okay. Flavor good. No, you can go ahead, Dan.
Blow it, blow it,
There's
blow it.
plenty
It's
more.
hot. It is hot, like, ooh. Just blow it while you put it in your mouth. I was like,
Yeah, it's hot stuff.
yeah, I'm getting a spoon to test something else.
Mm-hmm. Yep. All right, now. Oh,
I
is
think my mouth is on fire.
yeah,
Aww.
babies.
Cause like touch my face with it.
Oh no, honey.
Now this one.
No, you put like
Yeah.
Let me see.
Oh, you need me to taste something?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead, you might. There's also beef in there too.
Yep.
Mmm. That's good. Good.
Tiny bit of all
Teeny.
a lot of salt.
No.
What?
Like a kick to it.
Oh, yeah.
Spicy.
Just a
Yeah.
teeny. I mean, just a really. It's like it goes. But no, it's not salty to me or nothing like that.
Salty. I was like, because me and salt
Yeah.
You cut that back. What's this?
I'm trying to be careful.
This is, I'm still cooking the pili pili sauce, so it's not really done yet because the whole pili pili.
Oh, okay.
Is here.
Mhm.
Oh, okay. Hot.
Hot.
Pretty
Pili pili
good?
sauce in here. You can smell it.
All
That's how
right.
powerful it
Cool,
is.
cool.
We're almost ready.
Thank you. Now it's about
Thank you.
time cleaning my kitchen. I already go out.
All right.
Pili pili sauce.
And then the
All right, we'll be back.
Yeah, just.
Oh yeah. Coleslaw. Should I get ready to do that?
Yeah. It's great that the carrots in there.
This is for the pili pili sauce, Grandma. So we'll show you the finished product. We got some onion and some pepper. I'm going to do the coleslaw.